All right, YouTube, welcome back. Process for Profits. I am Purry. All service business, all success. Service business simplified. My fucking wife is calling me real quick about some business that I want to talk to you guys about. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, YouTube, I'm back. We were discussing some of this construction, man, and it boggles me back, man. Like, I can't understand how all of the people that I do know, that I have known, that has come and participated in my business have not called me and told me how much fucking money and potential it is here. Like, I don't understand that. So I've made it back to the crib here where I'm staying, and I wanted to vent a little bit to you guys. It's hard building a business, right? And when you try to include people in your life and you ask them to do the littlest of things, like, hey, if you see something that's getting built, or if you see something that, you know, looks like it could be some money, let me know. Like, so when you do that and I come back home and I'm driving around and I see money everywhere and no one's let me know, no, they're doing this, they're doing that, they're doing this, they're doing that. It sucks. It's a eye opener. It's a realization that you can't include people with you. You can't bring people with you and hope that because you brought them with you and because you did the right thing and because you're looking out for them, that they're gonna have your best interests at heart. So for you guys that are starting out, I know in the previous video I said tell everybody what you're doing. Here's the little asterisk in the small text at the bottom of that. Tell everyone what you're doing that doesn't know you, because the people that know you aren't going to shop with you and support you. They're not gonna do the free shit like, hey, brand new big ass buildings, brand new apartments, they're building apartments right here by me. No one's gonna give you that leg up, because subconsciously they have a limited mindset. They don't think in abundance, and they don't want it. It's not that they don't want to see you win. Maybe some people do, but I look at it as a situation like, more or less, they don't feel like they should help you get to where you're going, because nowhere, so to speak, is helping them get to where they're at. And even if you do help, and even if you know, like me, yo, you want to come make some cash or whatever, and allow them that opportunity, like, it doesn't matter, because everybody's not gonna reciprocate it the same way. Everybody's not gonna give you that same courtesy, so to speak. So I say all that to say this. Don't let your friendships, your relationships steal your dream and steal your drive, because it's not about them. It's not what you want. It's not about them. What you want, you have to go get, and let your actions and let your results and your successes and your failures because that's where you learn the most, speak for itself. And eventually, they're all going to come back around, man. Shit comes full circle. And you will have peace knowing that you did it alone. And you can still have these relationships with these people and not feel as if you are being cheated. And not feel as if, you know, that they have something on you, that you can't say I earned this all on my own, like I killed these dragons on myself. So tell everybody what you're doing that you don't know, because the people that you know, if their mindset isn't where your mindset is or where your mindset's trying to go, then it ain't gonna work, man. You're not gonna get the results that you're looking for. So signing off. Purry again, Process for Profits. Passed about $500,000 worth of construction cleaning a day, and I really needed to vent because I'm home, man. I'm in Atlanta, and I mean, man. Just, you know, one of those days, guys. So signing off. Process for Profits. All service business, all success. Get the blueprint. It's out now. ProcessForProfits.com. Check it out. And do some work, man. Do some work. Be the person you want people to look at you as. Be the person you want your friends and your family to admire. And do it on your own. Alright? Signing off. Peace.